Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. We are in Deer Ridge today doing a tile and grout restoration, and I just want to discuss grout color sealing with you. The homeowner decided to do it themselves, and they colored all the grout before they sold the house. Of course, they did an extremely sloppy job, and they got it all over the baseboards, got it all over the tile, and they used different colors. It didn't bond. The new homeowner bought the home not knowing it was color sealed. So they hired a local professional company to come in and clean the floors, and they made a few mistakes as well, not knowing it was color sealed. So there's a few things you don't want to do when you've color sealed your grout. First thing is you do not want to use anything like this. You don't want to scrub that sealer out. It's an acrylic water-based color seal with concrete and urethane hardeners in it. It's going to harden up like concrete. The only way to remove it is to physically damage it or chemically damage it. So again, you don't want to scrub it, and you definitely don't want to use a turbo hybrid on it as well. You don't want to use a high PSI. You don't want to do any type of damage to the grout itself. You want to do a soft neutral clean on the grout, and it'll come up pretty much brand new. You may need to do a few touch-ups here and there, but for the most part it'll stay intact. So I'm going to take you in and I'm going to show you what we're doing and show you what to do and what not to do. So this is what's kind of left over after it's been power washed with a turbo hybrid. You can see how it completely damaged all of the sealer. They used different colors. You can see a gray, a light beige, two different colors there. We've had to scrape all of the tile and all of the grout. And I'll just show you over here where we've started to color seal it back to the original color, what it should be. You can see here. Not sure how well that shows in the sun, but this is what it's supposed to look like when it's done. Okay, just wanted to show you that really quick and see that you don't make the same mistake. If you are a homeowner, please do not take it upon yourself to do it yourself when you color seal grout. Please leave it up to a professional grout restoration company. If this has happened, some people don't even realize their grout has been sealed when they buy a new home. Just give us a call at Carmichael Cleaning. We can come on out, do a free estimate for you and a consultation. We'll come out and we can fix it, and we'll put a smile on your tile. So please give us a call at 519-208-8533 or just visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca. Have a great day.